Hey everybody, this is Dustin, RV Specialist. So we were just moving this Genesis Supreme to take it inside and inside the bay back in here, but the owners, I don't know if they flushed the tanks or not in it, but it smells horrific. So the guys were like, nope, pull it back out. We don't want to stink up the whole shop. So as the guys were moving it with the forklift and we were walking by, we watched this pin box completely rise, and I don't even know we still have to measure it, but we're gonna have to call the customer and let them know that there's definitely an issue. That thing went up, I don't even know, an inch, maybe less, but it just basically pivoted up like that, clear up in there. So anyway, stay tuned for more. I know recently I just seen another Genesis do the same thing online, and so I don't know who makes this frame. I'm not sure if it's a Lippert frame or not, but we will figure it out and let you know. All right, thanks so much for watching.